Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making Chessmen's banana pudding. You will need 4 bananas, 3 bags of Chessmen cookies, 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of heavy cream, 8 egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using a stand mixer and a chilled bowl, whisk your heavy cream until your whipped cream has formed. Using medium heat, bring your pot to temperature, then add your milk and eggs and whisk until well combined. Now add the sugar, salt, and flour and mix until well combined. Allow your pudding to simmer, stirring constantly until it reaches a custard-like consistency. Then add the butter, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Allow your pudding to cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, fold in 1 cup of whipped cream and mix until well combined. In your dish, place 1 layer of cookies, followed by a layer of banana, then pudding, then repeat. This Chessmen banana pudding is a holiday dessert that everyone is sure to love. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab